Put your hands together for Ruhi Chauhan.
Of course, a very good morning to you.
Good evening. Now this is the evening time. Earlier you were coming in the morning time. Now this is evening.
Good evening to you. I am Umesh Arora. Today my topic is on my favorite book. My favorite book is science book because science is everything. We have to do many things in science, like there are many chapters. If we are bored, so we can do some experiments. If we cannot find questions, so we can first of all observe the question, then we ask question, then we do some experiments, and last draw conclusion. Science book. Science is my favorite because it is very easy. In 5th class, I got 97 marks in science. There are many chapters to read and classified. Thank you.
Very nice. Nice performance.